Okay, so we pluck this hole out. This is the Reese's Lighthouser. Now we're gonna put the Romex connector, we call it, which is this little thing here, which is what's gonna hold the wire in. So that actually goes right here. And we gotta pull. Then we gotta pull out these little wires here. And we gotta screw it in. And make sure this is tight. This is just gonna secure the wire to the box. In case of any event, we have problems and the wire is gonna have to be pulled for any reason, it'll be secure to the box. So this is called the Romex connector. This is actually the LED Reese's Light. These are pretty good. 3-inch. They're pretty bright.